Revealed: consequences of consuming raw garlic on your body. Have you ever stopped to think about the impact of a single raw garlic clove on your body? Is raw garlic really capable of protecting the heart, strengthening the immune system, and even preventing serious diseases such as cancer? And how do you know if you are consuming the right amount without suffering side effects? Garlic is an ancient food, used by different cultures not only as a seasoning, but as a true natural medicine. Over the centuries, it has gained fame for its numerous health benefits, but it has also raised questions about how to make the most of it. In today's text, we will explore everything that happens in your body when consuming raw garlic daily. From the most practical way to include it in your routine to the surprising benefits it can offer. Get ready to discover how this simple food can transform your health and prevent diseases naturally. Let's get started. Why is raw garlic so powerful? Raw garlic is much more than a simple culinary ingredient. Behind its strong and spicy flavor, there is a unique combination of bioactive compounds that make this vegetable a true superfood. Among these compounds, allicin stands out, a substance that forms when garlic is cut or crushed. Allicin is not only responsible for garlic's characteristic smell, but also for the therapeutic power it offers. It acts as a natural antibiotic, fighting bacteria and strengthening the immune system. Furthermore, raw garlic is rich in sulfur compounds that help protect the body against oxidative stress. This antioxidant action fights free radicals, which are mainly responsible for cellular aging and several chronic diseases. Another important point is that raw garlic preserves more nutrients than its cooked version. During cooking, many of the active compounds are destroyed by heat, significantly reducing the health benefits. Consuming raw garlic, therefore, is the best way to take advantage of all the properties it has to offer. But how to deal with the strong taste and possible side effects, such as bad breath? This can be overcome with some simple practices, such as crushing the garlic and mixing it into recipes that disguise the intense flavor. Even in small amounts, raw garlic can bring positive changes to your health. You're about to discover how it can impact different areas of your body, from your heart to your brain. Is it possible to consume raw garlic without any difficulties? If the idea of eating raw garlic seems challenging, know that you are not alone. The intense flavor and strong aroma of raw garlic can be a turn-off for many people, but with some simple strategies, you can include it in your diet without difficulty. One of the most common ways is to crush or mince garlic and mix it into foods that soften its flavor. Sauces like guacamole, hummus, and even fresh salads are excellent options for incorporating raw garlic. Furthermore, you can add crushed raw garlic at the end of recipes, avoiding cooking and preserving nutrients. Another popular option is to consume a clove of garlic as if it were a capsule. In this case, just peel the garlic and swallow it whole with water, without chewing. This reduces the impact of the flavor in the mouth and avoids the famous garlic breath. But be careful. Consuming raw garlic in this way requires caution, as it can cause digestive discomfort in some people. If taste is still an issue, you can opt for garlic supplements. They maintain the beneficial compounds of raw garlic, but without the strong flavor or effects on breath. Another trick is to cut the garlic into small pieces and mix it with liquids such as juices or teas. This approach not only makes consumption easier, it also allows you to experiment with combinations that can enrich your diet. However, it is important to remember that excessive consumption of raw garlic can cause gastric irritation. So start with small amounts and observe how your body reacts. Now that you know how to consume raw garlic in a practical way, it's time to understand why it is considered an essential ally for your health. Let's explore the incredible benefits it can offer, the amazing benefits of including raw garlic in your routine. The secret to a healthier heart. Raw garlic is widely recognized for its heart health benefits. Allicin, its main active compound, helps improve artery flexibility and relax blood vessels. This promotes more efficient circulation, reducing blood pressure and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Scientific studies confirm that regular consumption of garlic can reduce the formation of plaque in the arteries. These plaques are responsible for obstructions that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Furthermore, garlic is rich in antioxidants that protect the heart against damage caused by oxidative stress. These antioxidants help maintain the integrity of heart cells and tissues. For those suffering from hypertension, raw garlic is a natural and effective alternative to complement medical care. Its consumption must be moderate but continuous so that the benefits are felt in the long term. Now imagine being able to protect your heart with such a simple and affordable food. But the benefits of raw garlic don't stop there. It is also a powerful ally in preventing serious diseases such as cancer. Natural defense against cancer. Raw garlic has sulfur compounds that directly prevent various types of cancer. Among them, cancers of the breast, pancreas, esophagus, stomach, and colon stand out. These compounds help protect the body's cells against mutations that can lead to the development of tumors. Furthermore, garlic stimulates apoptosis, which is the programmed death of abnormal cells, preventing their uncontrolled growth. Research shows that regular garlic intake is associated with a significant reduction in the risk of cancer. The United States National Cancer Institute recognizes garlic as a food with proven anti-cancer properties. Although studies are still ongoing, the evidence is encouraging. Including raw garlic in your diet can be a simple and effective preventative measure. But that's not all. In addition to fighting cancer, garlic strengthens your main line of defense, the immune system. An extra barrier for your immune system. The immune system is the body's shield against viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens. And raw garlic is one of the most effective foods to reinforce this natural barrier. It contains compounds that stimulate the production of defense cells, improving the immune response. Studies conducted in the United Kingdom showed that people who consumed garlic supplements had fewer colds and recovered more quickly. Consuming raw garlic daily can help prevent common infections such as colds and flu, especially in colder seasons. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties help fight resistant bacteria and fungi that are harmful to the body. If you are looking for a natural way to strengthen your immunity, raw garlic is a clear choice. But its action goes beyond the immune system, also protecting brain health. The shield against Alzheimer. Raw garlic is a powerful ally in preventing neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's. Thanks to its antioxidant properties, it protects brain cells against attack by free radicals. These free radicals are directly linked to the premature aging of cells and the development of diseases such as Alzheimer's. Additionally, raw garlic improves blood circulation, ensuring that the brain receives a constant flow of oxygen and nutrients. Over time, this action can help maintain cognitive functions and memory in better condition. Research indicates that the sulfur compounds present in garlic help reduce the formation of beta-amyloid plaques in the brain. These plaques are one of the main factors associated with the progression of Alzheimer's. Although garlic is not a cure, its regular consumption can slow the progress of the disease and prevent its early manifestation. Taking care of your brain is as important as taking care of your heart, and raw garlic can be a great ally in this task. But garlic's benefits also extend to other crucial areas of health, such as controlling diabetes. An ally in the fight against diabetes. For those facing the challenges of diabetes, raw garlic can be an excellent addition to the diet. It helps reduce blood glucose levels, stabilizing the amount of sugar circulating in the body. Furthermore, raw garlic improves the lipid profile, reducing LDL cholesterol levels, the so-called bad cholesterol, and increasing HDL, good cholesterol. These effects directly contribute to cardiovascular health, which is a constant concern for diabetics. Preliminary research also indicates that garlic can increase insulin sensitivity, facilitating blood glucose control. Although raw garlic is not a substitute for medical treatments, it can be used as part of a holistic approach to managing diabetes. The key is to consume it regularly, but in moderation, to avoid possible digestive discomfort. In addition to helping control blood sugar levels, garlic offers benefits that positively affect general well-being, and among these benefits, its ability to improve digestion stands out. Lighter and efficient digestion. If you suffer from digestive problems, raw garlic can be a great ally. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, facilitating the breakdown and absorption of nutrients from food. Furthermore, garlic has antimicrobial properties that help balance the intestinal flora. This balance is essential to avoid problems such as gas, abdominal bloating, and poor digestion. Garlic is also effective against harmful bacteria such as Helicobacter pylori, which can cause ulcers and gastritis. Consuming raw garlic regularly can improve the health of the gastrointestinal tract and promote a feeling of well-being. To take advantage of this benefit, simply add chopped raw garlic to salads or consume it crushed with olive oil. But while taking care of digestion, garlic also acts as a powerful regulator of cholesterol levels. Goodbye to bad cholesterol. Consuming raw garlic is one of the most effective natural ways to reduce LDL cholesterol. This type of cholesterol, when high, is responsible for the formation of plaque in the arteries, increasing the risk of cardiovascular disease. In addition to reducing LDL, garlic contributes to increasing HDL cholesterol, known as good cholesterol. This combination helps maintain the body's lipid balance, significantly reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. Studies show that by including raw garlic in your diet for a few weeks, you can see a notable reduction in total cholesterol levels. This benefit is enhanced by the presence of allicin, which also contributes to the general health of the circulatory system. If you're looking for natural ways to improve your health indicators, raw garlic can be a simple and affordable solution. But the benefits don't stop there. Garlic is also one of the most powerful options for fighting inflammation in the body. The anti-inflammatory power. You need to know, chronic inflammation is at the root of many serious illnesses, such as arthritis, diabetes, and even heart problems. Raw garlic contains compounds that act directly to reduce inflammation in the body. These compounds inhibit inflammatory substances, such as prostaglandins, helping to relieve pain and discomfort. Furthermore, garlic stimulates the immune system to fight inflammatory processes more efficiently. People suffering from conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis may benefit from including raw garlic in their diet. Regular consumption helps reduce joint swelling and stiffness, improving quality of life. The anti-inflammatory action of garlic is also effective in muscle recovery after intense exercise. Therefore, if you are looking for a natural food with multiple applications, raw garlic is an essential choice. Now that you know the benefits, it is important to understand that garlic also requires precautions when consuming it, especially in excess. Let's explore the possible side effects below. The side effects you need to know. Although raw garlic offers numerous health benefits, its consumption can also cause adverse effects in some situations. One of the most common problems is bad breath. The strong aroma of garlic is caused by sulfur compounds, which can remain in the body for hours after consumption. Additionally, people with gastroesophageal reflux may experience increased stomach acid, resulting in burning or discomfort in the esophagus. Raw garlic can also cause digestive discomfort, such as gas, abdominal bloating, and stomach irritation, especially if consumed in excess. Another important point is that raw garlic has anticoagulant properties. This means that it can make blood clotting difficult, increasing the risk of bleeding in people who are already taking anticoagulant medications, such as aspirin or warfarin. For these people, raw garlic consumption should be limited and always supervised by a doctor. Additionally, garlic can interact with certain medications, altering their effectiveness. Therefore, it is essential to consult a healthcare professional before including large amounts of raw garlic in your diet, especially if you are being treated for high blood pressure or diabetes. Another aspect to consider is the possibility of allergies. Although rare, some people may experience allergic reactions when consuming raw garlic, such as itching, redness, or even difficulty breathing. Therefore, it is important to start with small amounts and observe how your body reacts. Finally, consuming too much raw garlic can overload the digestive system, resulting in ongoing discomfort. Moderation is the key to enjoying the benefits of raw garlic without suffering from its possible side effects. Now that you know what to avoid, It's time to understand how to determine the ideal amount of raw garlic for daily consumption. How much raw garlic is right for you? There is no fixed rule for consuming raw garlic, as the ideal amount varies according to each person's body. However, studies suggest that eating 1 or 2 cloves of raw garlic a day is enough to enjoy its benefits without going overboard. If you prefer to measure more precisely, the average recommendation is 2 to 5 grams of raw garlic per day, which is approximately equivalent to 1 medium clove. For those who prefer supplements, doses vary between 300 and 1,000 milligrams of garlic extract per day, depending on the formula used. This information is a starting point, but the ideal is to adjust the amount according to your goals and your body's tolerance. For example, people who want to control blood pressure or improve immunity can start with 1 raw garlic clove a day and gradually increase if they do not experience side effects. To include raw garlic in your diet in a practical way, you can crush it and mix it in salads, juices, or sauces. Another option is to swallow a small clove with water, as if it were a pill, to avoid the impact of the strong flavor. If you choose to cook garlic, remember that heat reduces its active compounds. To minimize this loss, add garlic only at the end of food preparation. It is also important to pay attention to your body's reactions. If you notice discomfort such as heartburn, nausea, or gastric irritation, reduce the amount consumed and consult a doctor. Finally, remember that raw garlic is a dietary supplement and does not replace medical treatments or a balanced diet. Including it in your routine, consciously and moderately, could be the key to reaping its benefits without compromising your well-being. Now that you know how to consume garlic safely, it's time to reflect on the importance of taking care of your health with small daily changes. Take care of yourself. A simple reason to start today. Incorporating raw garlic into your eating routine may seem like a small change, but the benefits it brings to your health are immense. Taking care of your body is an investment that directly reflects on your quality of life, and garlic, a simple and affordable food, can be a great ally on this journey. By including raw garlic in your diet, you will be strengthening your heart, protecting your brain, improving your immunity, and preventing a series of serious diseases. This attitude, which requires little effort, has the power to transform your health in a significant and lasting way. Choosing to take care of yourself starts with small, consistent actions, like including natural, nutrient-rich foods. So how about taking that step today? With raw garlic, you have a true natural medicine on your hands, which can change your life and bring more energy, vitality, and well-being. After all, your health is your most precious asset. Now is the time to act. Start today, get inspired, and share this knowledge with those you love.